welcome back. So today I want to talk about what I do when I feel like I'm getting under the weather. I don't even want to say the word, okay? But usually for me, when I'm coming down with something or something's trying to get me, notice the way that I'm saying things. I'm going to talk about that. But it always starts for me in my throat and my lymph nodes here. So it may be different for you. You may get a runny nose, when something is trying to get you. So I want to share with you what I'm doing and what I try to do to beat this cold or whatever it is without going to the doctor, without taking medicine, naturally. So there are 3 things that I like to do. So let's talk about it. All right, so the first thing that I do is right here. This is my indoor bike, and I haven't ridden it in a while, truth be told. I've been teaching PE classes online, and that's been helping me get my exercise, but I really need to. And the reason that I do this is because I feel like creating that flow of energy is really going to, just push everything through my body and out. So, and also exercise is always good. So I didn't really feel like it. I'm feeling kind of meh, but I did it. I did 30 minutes on the bike, and now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so in my smoothie, first thing I do when I'm feeling this way is garlic. So I took 3 small cloves of garlic and I smashed them and then I let them sit. It's kind of a trick, look it up. It releases the enzymes or something. So smash your garlic, let it sit for 5 minutes. Then I went outside and I got some kale and some microgreens. You can grow microgreens inside, super easy. I'll put a link to a thing where you can grow them at home. And I put in some carrot juice, some mango juice, a little bit of frozen banana, a few strawberries, water, and that's it. So it's really good. It's fire. I mean, the garlic taste is there, but I know that that's burning out all the bad stuff in me. And that is my third point. So number 1, get your body moving, get a little bit of exercise, get that stuff flowing. Number 2, a healthy smoothie with garlic, ginger. I forgot, there's ginger in there. Number 3, talk positively. Don't say, I am sick. I say, I'm fighting a cold. I'm beating a cold. That's what I do. I say, I'm going to beat this. I'm going to rest. And that's probably number 4. Try to rest. Don't overdo it when you're feeling like this. If possible, try to rest. And it's hard for me. I have to make myself do it. But you got to do it. So I hope that this is helpful for you if you're feeling it. I forgot to put lemon in this. I'm going to go squeeze some fresh lemon in this, and that'll make it even better. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're feeling healthy. And if you're feeling any less than, try some of these things and let me know how it goes for you. All right. Happy health to you. Bye, guys. I wanted to wait until I've been doing this for 3 days. So this is my 3rd day of drinking this, mostly for breakfast. Like I have 1 little cup of coffee in the morning without dairy in it. And then when I'm hungry, I'll have this, and then I have lunch. And I actually put some more seeds in this one because I am feeling a lot better. So I didn't want to share this until I was actually feeling better. And I've been either exercising or stretching really good every day and resting. So I've been doing all the things I said I was going to do. And then Batman down here, he wasn't feeling good at the same time as me. And I finally convinced him to have a smoothie today. And I'm going to show you, for his, I just put like a little bit of mine, which has all the good stuff in it, but it's a little garlicky and gingery, in with a smoothie for him with lemonade and mango juice and more ice and some fresh citrus in it. He said it tastes like a margarita, but not necessarily in a good way. It's like, what'd you say?
Tastes tangy.
Tangy. He said it's what he always thought a margarita would taste like. So he's tolerating it. My daughter did not like it. But she doesn't like lemonade. So we are feeling better. And yeah, so that's the check-in. I hope that you are feeling better too. All right. Bye, guys.